Hello everyone, welcome to Lavin's journey. Today I am going to do the next experiment from this magic of science. Before we start, I want to show you my Bugatti car, friends. See, the door can open and the bonnet can open. Oh, okay, let's start now. Today we are going to do bubble snake experiment. To do this, we need cloth, bag, blue color, red color, yellow color, funnel, and the soap solution from the big bubble experiment. If you haven't watched the big experiment, go watch and come back. The link is given in the description. First, ask your adult to fix the cloth in the funnel with the help of the bag, like this. Now add all these three colors one by one in the cloth. Now let's add one drop of blue color in one corner. Now let's add yellow color to the center of the cloth. Now let's add red color to the other corner of the cloth. Like this. Now let's fill the funnel with the soap solution and blow it slowly to see the bubble snake. Please do not inhale through the funnel. Blow it slowly. See the bubble snake? Do you know how this bubble snake came? Because the cloth has hundreds of holes. When you blow it, you will get hundreds of bubbles and becomes like a snake. If you like this bubble snake experiment, you can like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.